Okay. Okay. Miss Yemi, how are you? Miss Yusuf, how are you doing? Hear me? Can you all hear
Fine,
me?
sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. All right. Let us round up with this permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. Well, permutation is the arrangement of objects in a specific order. That's the difference between permutation and combination. Main thing, the difference that permutation there is a specific order, and then combination there is no specific order. So, which means that combination is the arrangement of n objects without regards to order. So, this is the formula for finding the permutation of n objects, taking x at a time. And this one here is the formula for n objects taking x at a time. So let us start with permutation. Okay, let's start with permutation. All right, let's see. Before we can do that, we need to understand the factorial notation. So if you have something like n factorial, this in English language, this symbol here, this one here, we call it exclamation mark. But in maths, we call it factorial symbol. So n factorial means n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times all the way to the last one. So you multiply together the descending whole numbers from n until 1. So if you have 5 factorial, it means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. And 60 times 2 is 120. 120 times 1 is 120. And 8 factorial, for example, will be 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, this one we have to do this from the calculator. So we have 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 40,320. Okay. 40,320. Okay. 320. See? So that is basically what we do in factorial. Now again, the good news is that we can get this from the calculator directly. So if you look at the first one, I think they have it somewhere. You can see right here, symbol factorial. Make sure you're seeing this. Yeah, I think you're seeing it. Factorial. So you have 5 factorial. 5, click factorial. Give the answer right away. So 8 factorial. Give it right away. See? So the same thing with combination and permutation. We'll be using the calculator to find it. Since this is business statistics, you're not maths. You're doing this as a part of your. This is not your core course. So we'll be doing this formula with calculator. So all of you in this class are business students in the business majors. So you need to know the principle behind them, but you need to know how to use technology to get it. So we'll be using calculator for getting this. and other one, which is the combination. Remember that a permutation is the arrangement of n objects in a specific order. So let's evaluate these questions here. It says, evaluate 12 permutation 3, 6 permutation 4, and then 15 permutation 1. Let's do it. Remember that permutation, the formula is this. The formula right here. But like I said, to simplify this for you, we'll be using calculator to get this. So all you need to do is now, for the first one, solution. So our n is 12. Okay. And our x is 3. So that's 12 permutation 3, which is what they want us to find. Okay. And make it big. We have our n, we have our x. So n is 12, s is 3. So 12 permutation 3, you can plug it into this formula here. 12 factorial over 12 minus 3 factorial, and then use your pencil or pen to work it out. Otherwise, use calculator. So we go to our calculator and we give us the answer. Think we're looking at 12 permutation 3. Maybe put 12. So this is MPR. They use X, R for X. So click on that. So MPR, which means MPX. 12 permutation 3 will now become 12, 3, and it will give you the answer right away. 1320. 1320. Let me write it down. 1320 for 12 permutation 3. You go right there and put it here. 1320. Any question to that?
Can you go back to the calculator part? Just so I can see.
Yep. Okay. So you click on this first, then 12, 3. That'll give you the answer right away.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. Now let's do the second part. Second part says 6 permutation 4. I'm gonna in this case our n is 6. Okay. N equals 5 solution. Okay. N equals 6. And our x, or the calculator use R for x. S equal, or say 6 permutation 4, s equals 4. So that 6 permutation 4, make it big. Maybe. Now you go to the calculator. Okay. Click on the permutation symbol 6, 4, right? 6, then 4. And it was 360. 360, right down. 360. So that 6 permutation 4 is 360. 360. Question on that? No? Or yes? Any query? So no question. Good. Now, let's see how we can apply this to real life. It says, a TV director wishes to use 3 news stories on an evening show. One story will be the local lead story, one will be the second story, and the last will be a closing story. If the director has a total of 8 stories to choose from, how many possible ways can the program be set up? So you see that there's a specific order here. One will be the one story will be the local lead story. The second one will be the second one will be the second story, and the other one will be the closing story. So there's a specific order, which means that we're going to use permutation. And he has 8 stories to choose from. So our N is 8. And they said once you want to use 3 stories, you're going to choose 3 stories from these 8 stories. So that means S is 3. So number of ways now becomes 8 combination 3. Of course, is sub 8. So we're going to make it sub 8 combination 3. Okay. They are equal. So I'm going to make it sub. Okay. 8 combination 3. That means we're going to do 8, 3 in the calculator. So we got MPR 8, 3. You got 336. I gotta write it down. 336. So we're gonna write it down. 336 ways. Okay. That is permutation. Now we can look at the combination. For combination, we use there's no specific order. So we use NCX equals n factorial over x factorial times n minus x factorial. So let us evaluate this using combination. This one here, our n is a 7 combination 4. You can see right here, 7 combination 4. Our n is 7, and our x is 4. So 7 combination 4. We go to our calculator. We're gonna use the combination key. So we're gonna be using this one here, NCR. Or you can call it NCX. So you got 7, 4 give us 35. 35. 35. 35. See? So let's do another one, which is 20 combination 5. Is part B. Solution. Okay. 20 combination 5. Yeah, that is equal. Let's see. In this case, our n is 20. 20. And our x is 4. Oh, sorry, 5. 5. So n, small n. So n 20 comes from 5, making it make it big. We now go to our calculator. 20 combination 5. Clear. So we have NCR 20, 5 was 15,504. Let me write it down. 15,504. We got 15,504. 504. Questions? Any question? Okay, no question, good. And then, so now let us see the applications here. Have a bicycle shop owner has 12 mountain bikes in the showroom. The owner wishes to select 5 of them to display at a bicycle show. How many different ways can this group of 5 be selected? Now, there's no specific order here, so we're gonna use combination. So how many different ways? So have 12 mountain bikes, so n is 12, and x is you need to select 5 of them to display. So s is 5. So number of ways now become 12 combination 5 equal. Make it as it is sub 12. Okay. So 12 combination 5. Now we can look for this in our calculator. Okay. Come on, then 12, comma 5, 792. Write it down. 792. So we can go and put the answer in. 792. Wait. I'll do it in 792 ways. Okay. Well, one more example, then we can round up, which is this one here. In a club, there are 7 women and 5 men. A committee of 3 women and 2 men is to be chosen. How many different possibilities are there? Okay, this is a tricky one. If you have for men and women. For the men, n equals 5 men. Okay. Okay. For the women, have n equals 7 women. Let me speak. Okay, it's bigger than this. Okay. Now, for the men, a committee of 3 women and 2 men. So x is for men, x is 2 men, and then for women, x is 3 women. So now, number of possibilities. Say, how many different possibilities can we add here? So, number of possibilities. We now become, for men, we have 5 combination 2. Okay. 5 combination 2 times for women is 7 combination 3. That will give us our answer that we're looking for. Okay. Okay. Just making them to like a combination. So 5 combination 2 times 7 combination 3. Let me write this down so we can go and put it in the calculator. We got 5 combination 2 times 7 combination 3. Okay. Excuse me. So taking you to the calculator, we have this. So we are going to use parentheses to make them separate them. Like clear. We got parentheses. This NCR 5 combination 2 5 comma 2. Okay, close it, and then out times, okay, 7,3, 7,3, okay, it was 350 ways, 350 ways, okay, 350 possibilities, 350, 350 different, 350 different possibilities. Any question? Any question, class? Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, no question. Yeah, we hear. Sorry. Yes, no question.
All right, then I'll see you guys next week in the campus. You have a good night then.
Thank you. You too.
It's okay,
You
bye.
posted the classwork already?
Huh?
You posted the classwork already?
If I posted what again?
The classwork.
Oh, I'm gonna post it now.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you guys next week. Hmm.